Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a beautiful 1971 Monte Carlo. I got the owner here, who's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today?
Hey, good, Mike. How you doing?
Yeah, what a pretty car.
Thank you. It's 71, all matching numbers, 350, 2-barrel carburetor.
Okay.
Everything on it's new. New bumpers, new stainless steel, new wheels, tires, gas tank. Carburetor's been just rebuilt last month. The gas tank is new. Transmission's been rebuilt.
Wow.
Interior's new. Runs like a dream.
Super nice straight body, no rust anywhere.
Thank you. I believe it's got new fenders on it and new quarters. I'm not sure about the quarters, but they're solid. There's no Bondo in them. So
looks great.
All the window felts new, all the rubber's new. Door handles, locks. And it's solid floor underneath.
Like the Rallye wheels it's sitting on, real nice.
Yeah, they've been done so they're all wired into the original wheel itself, so if they come loose they're not going to fall down the highway. They're going to just dangle on the car until you stop.
This emblem looks new. It's got...
Yeah, the emblems are new.
Oh, nice car, jeez.
Thank you.
Inside we got a nice big lofty bench seat, seat belts all the way around, beautiful door panels, showing 89,861 miles. I see you brought your wife's sunglasses today.
I believe those are mine, thank you.
Oh, well, it's nice to see you're in touch with your feminine side.
I'm wearing her underwear.
Oh, they must be comfy, huh? All silk, right? I fire it up.
Sure. That's the aftermarket AM FM Chevy radio.
Oh, a vintage sound system.
Yeah.
Very cool. Sounds great. Sounds like a Flowmaster?
Yeah, one Flowmaster, single floor.
Sounds great.
It rides as great as it sounds, too.
Love the color. Really cool.
I'm not sure how color it is.
Looks great.
Up the hood?
Yeah. 350, 245 horse. Pretty stock under here, right?
Yep. Power
steering, power brakes.
All new brakes.
Is this a Canadian built car by any chance?
What?
Canadian built? It's got plastic inner wells.
Somebody else said the same thing. I'm not positive, but they said the ones with the plastic are Canadian built.
Yep, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, that's right. That's the second time I heard that.
Yep. Very cool. Power steering, power brakes. Sounds like it runs real nice too. Nice, honest car.
I changed the distributor.
Oh, HEI, electronic distributor. Carburetor was just rebuilt too.
Yeah, last month.
Okay. Love it. Cool guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. Also keep in mind we do offer financing and worldwide shipping. Thanks again, Vincent. Beautiful car.
You're welcome. Thank you.